January 2026 was the month the illusion finally ended. Over the last few weeks, we didn't just talk about AI models or tools. We talked about organizations, energy, borders, and accountability. We saw AI stop behaving like software and start behaving like labor. We saw intelligence become physical, constrained by megawatts, not math. We watched borders reassert themselves over data, models, and deployment. And we crossed a quiet but important line. The hype era ended. The audit era began. By the end of January, one thing is clear. AI is no longer experimental. It's operational. It's regulated. And it is now embedded deep inside how work actually gets done. But here's the part we haven't talked about yet. Once intelligence becomes operational, it doesn't stay contained. Because in February, the story shifts. From what we built to what we're losing control of. Next month, we're going to talk about the things that don't show up on org charts. AI systems that outperform humans, but can't explain themselves. Shadow AI stacks employees deploy without permission. Skills that don't disappear, but quietly lose their value. Finance teams trying to account for agents that don't fit any ledger. And a world where trust itself starts to collapse under synthetic reality. January was about structure. February is about fracture. If January answered the question, what is AI becoming? February asks something more uncomfortable. What happens when it works, but no one is fully in control anymore? That's where we're headed next.